Okay, guys, greeting you all and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm John Bex FS, and it's always a pleasure to have you here. I'm here to display this powerful boom and crash strategy that earn massive profits. If you're applying this, you can actually make enough money, you can add enough value to your account, all right? Sorry about that. So this one is also going to help you by growing your little account too. So that's the good thing about this boom and crash strategy I'm showing you here. It's going to help you to grow your little account too. All right. By the way, we're talking about how you can scalp here, right? You're going to be scalping with this one and see how you can actually add value to your trading skill, to your trading account. Sorry about that. To your account, right? So now, before I go further on that note, I also want to appeal to you as I always do, please. I am begging you, I want you to know that I do all of this because I want you to win. I want us to win together, all right? That's why I'm dropping all of this powerful strategy. You can go to my YouTube channel at John Bex FX, John Bex Forex. You can get as many as good strategies there that you can apply and make good profit while trading, or make useful profit while trading. Just go there and make any of the ones. Just go there and select anyone that is good enough for you. All right. So please, what I'm saying here, I am begging you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and please leave some good comment. All right. And again, if you don't like, if there's any area you're not too comfortable with, you can comment too, and we can sort that out together, right? Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, right? And that's it. Again, let me also inform you guys, and there is some other good packages I have here. All right, anyone that interests you, I have the account management package. I also have the mentorship package. I also have the VIP package, and there is also a free channel package too. So any of these one that interests you, you can contact me. And how do you contact me? Or no, while seeing this video, you can check down the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link, you're going to see my Telegram link. So all of that link, you can easily reach out to me through those links, okay? To avoid scammers, you can easily reach out to me through those links. All right, so please, for your account to be managed, I'm going to trade it myself personally. I'm going to trade it whatsoever will make us for the day. We share it 50-50. All right, so I'm going to manage your account for me to gain down my 50% and for you to gain down your 50% too, and then we are good to go. So if you're interested, you can reach out to me. You can reach out for that. Again, if you want your account, if you want to be mentored too, if you want to be mentored, or can call in for that. Let me mentor you myself too. I'm going to mentor you myself, and I can assure you that at the end of the day, you will end up enjoying whatsoever you paid for the mentorship, and it's good for you to know how to trade, all right? So you don't just sit somewhere and depend on somebody to start trading for you, all right? You might not know what the person might be doing with your account, all of that. So it is good you learn, you know this. It's a value, okay? It's a value to your life. So just if you want to be mentored, you can contact me so you can be mentored very well and know how you can go about trading. There's nothing as good as having a snappy entering trade. So that if you have one good thing about snappy entering trade, it also helps you. Sorry about that. It also helps you. Even there's a retext. Even when there's a retext, it will not get to your entering. It will not get to your entry because you enter the trade at the right place. So it's going to help you. You know all of these things. Mentorship will help you. You know all of these things. And again, mentorship will also give you a good reason where you can have, multiple reasons where before you enter trade. You don't just enter trade because you want to trade. All right, you want to trade. I also lecture you guys to know too about mentorship. mentorship also help you to provide a clear trend where you can actually train, a clear trend, where you can actually enter and know I am entering from this, I'm entering from support, I am or entering from resistance. All right. So the one thing you need to know about this mentorship, it will help you to enter the trade at the right place. And mind you, if you are a trader, you want to enter trades, you should enter either from your support or your resistance. And that would help you and give you some good profit, okay? Again, if you also want to join the VIP group too, if you want to join the VIP group too, and join them, as many of them in there is willing to, the VIP community, you can as well call for that too. And I'm going to tell you how you can grab that and join the VIP group. Again, the free channel Telegram link is also there, so you can as well join the free Telegram and see what is happening there too. Although I drop signal once in a while in that free channel Telegram link, so you can also join the free Telegram link too and see what is happening there. So subscribe to my channel and like my video. Okay, here now let's now discuss why we're here. So you can see here I'm trading a Crash 1000. I'm trading Crash 1000. This Crash 1000. If you study Crash 1000 very well, you would know that it is always good you scalp while trading Crash 1000 than waiting for when you cash spike. Plan yourself on how you can cash, how you can scalp with this one. All right. So I'm trading Crash 1000, and this trade already running here. I've entered. I have made some money from this trade. I actually entered from this. The moment I waited for this to happen, and I saw this cross my moving average across my chart, and I entered the trade all the way from, and I was able to pick this candlestick up to, my target was 15 candlesticks, although I ended up picking up, I think 14 or thereabouts. I ended up picking up 14 before it hit my TP, which I am going to display that. I'm going to display that on this video too. You're going to see when I enter, you're going to see the amount I make from there. Each position gave me about $13 each position because I actually opened 3 positions in that trade, okay? So I always tell you to think how you can scalp, because sometimes I don't actually enjoy the spike aspect of it. I like scalping. And when I want to scalp, I want to ensure that the market, if I'm scalping Crash, I want to ensure that the market is an uptrend market. And how do you do that? How do you do that? How do you do that, guys? You also need to go to a higher time frame and check what market structure looks like, all right? And check what the market structure looks like. So now, before I enter the trade, I told you that I just made some money out there. I was able to ensure that I went back to my higher time frame. Like this is a 5-minute time frame, right? 1 minute time frame was my entering time, was the entering time frame I used, and this is 5-minute time frame. So I knew that this market was going to give me that 15 candlestick, all right? Because this is my window one. So when this moving average here in my window one, so got to this level 10, which is the overbought level, right? Which is the overbought level, and this also moving up there, my chart dropped to this level too, all right? So I knew I was going to get 15 candlestick here and then leave the market. So why I am showing you this, you need to know that you need to ensure that this market is on an uptrend. And again, I also went to my daily time frame, and I trust this is my horizontal line. You can watch here. This is the horizontal line I placed here. And if you watch, you can see a lot of rejection within this area. Within this area, you can see a lot of rejection within this area. All right, this rejection here. This place, this area of the market has this historical knowledge that once the trend got to this place, there will be a reverse around this area. The market will start buying from this area, right? So I also have that. So I played this horizontal line. I was able to trace it down all the way from my daily time frame to H4 and H1 and even at 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So I trusted that I noticed that there's a lot of touches along this area. I placed my horizontal line. There's a lot of touches along this area. And once I have like 7 to 8 touches within this area, so I am good to go. I am pretty sure that at this point, this market will surely start moving up. All right, this market will start moving up from here. So I position myself for scalping because I want to scalp. All right. So I'm saying this because I want you to win. So you that want to scalp, okay, if you feel 15 minutes is too long for you, you can go 15 candlesticks is too long for you. You can go 7 candlesticks and use a better loss size and scalp. Just ensure that you have the market at, if you want to scalp crash, ensure that you have the market at an uptrend. If it's boom, ensure that you have the market at a downtrend. So you have to use your time frames to differentiate all of that. All right, so now I am going to get off all these indicators so you can see me how I place them, and you can watch me place them. Always try and see my video to the end. It's going to help you, okay? It's going to help you. So right now I'll be deleting all of these indicators so you can see me how I place them too. All right? So they are out. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my video. All right? And so the first indicator I'm going to be placing here is the moving average, which goes to the window 1, all right, to the main chart. And these are the parameters. You can screenshot this and watch. These are the parameters. Period 1, shift 10, and method is simple and apply to close. And the styles I'm using PC4 because I want my lines to be bold. So I'm going to be using blue line here. I'm going to be using blue color here. So I'm done with this phase. So I have this blue line across my chart now. So the next indicator I am adding here will be the relative strength index. All right. So this is the relative strength index. So these are the periods I'm using here too. These are the periods you can screenshot and use the same thing. Okay. This color will be the color of your background. All right. The style. The style. So these are the level. So this 90 is the oversold area. And this 10 is the overbought area. All right. So I'm done with this. I'm done with this. So I have my second window now. My indicator window 1 right here. So the next indicator I'm going to be placing is we'll go with the indicator window 1, right? So I am going to be using the moving average too, with the same parameters, which is here. So you can screenshot this and just follow up whatever you're seeing here. So I'm done with this. So I have this line now. So you can use any color of your choice. But here, let me use, I want to be using red color here. I don't want to use, let me use red color. Let me use red color, okay? So right now, this is what we should be looking at for. So you want to scalp this market. All right, you want to scalp this market. After you must have checked your higher time frame, like I've told you that already, and ensure that this market has gotten to this level. This level 10, which is the overbought level. All right, and then again wait for the candlestick to cross this blue line across our chart, and then you can target. You can have your 15 candlestick or less than that. If you don't want to go 50, you can have less than that and leave the market and place your CP. So this is what I am saying. So go to this point and target your 15 candlestick and leave the market. So if I trace, that's what you keep seeing. All right. So it's the same thing as boom and crash too. If you want to do boom and crash, if you want to do boom too. All right. Sorry. So it's the same thing. So you have to ensure that the market is on uptrend or downtrend. Oh, my network. Okay, I put off my. If you're trading boom and if you're trading boom too, as I've showed you here, you just do the same thing in the crash. Okay. So right now I'll be leaving you, and I trust this video will I trust this video will add more value to your account and grow your account to that level, that your desired expectation. So I'm going to display the profit I've made from this strategy in this video so you can see it, how it hits my TP. So thank you guys, and I wish you best of luck in your trading, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye for now.